Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I want to install Snap on my Fedora server version 42. In this video, we start on our Fedora server 42 and gonna install Snap. Therefore, we open the command line, do SSH to our server, give the password, and voila, we are in. First command is to update the system. So, sudo dnf upgrade refresh. So we make sure the repositories are up to date. Password, because we have sudo. But our system is already up to date, nothing to do. But it's always good practice to upgrade the system. The second command is to install some software we need. So dnf install views and squad views. Enter. See, we install. Yes. And voila. That's okay. The next step is to install Snap. So sudo dnf install snapd. Enter. You see, we install it. Yes. Only take a minute because it's a small project. And voila. Snap is installed. Now it's a good thing to reboot the system. So we do sudo reboot. Now we're going to reboot and I come back when the server is rebooted. I'm back after a boot and again SSH to our server. Password. And voila. Next step is to enable the service snapped. So systemctl enable snapped now. Password, we have sudo. And voila, that's okay. Now we have to create a link from var lib snap to snap. Okay, success. The next step is to install the core. So from snap. So sudo snap install core. Okay. Downloading. Only take a minute. It's a small project. See, it's very quickly. Set up the system. And voila. Now we look at the service status. See if everything is okay. Systemctl status from snapped. Okay, and you see service is enabled and active. Now we can create our first project. Snap as an hello world. So we install sudo snap install hello world. Enter. Downloading. Again, a very small project. We are almost there. Setting up. And voila. Hello world 6.4 from Canonical. Now we run the project. Very simple. Hello world. And the answer is hello world. Now I give you some basic commands to refresh all the snaps. You have sudo snap refresh. Enter. All snaps up to date. We can have the version of snap snap version. So we run 2.71 on our Fedora 42. We have snap list to list all the snaps on our system. See, we have a couple. Core, we installed before, Hello World, and the snapd is also on the list here. The second command is list all. That's if some old snaps are on the system, but for now it's a very new system. We only have 3. We can remove a snap. Example, the Hello World. We're going to remove, very simple, snap, remove, Hello World. You have to do sudo. And voila, Hello World is removed. If we do now the list, you see Hello World is gone. This was it for today. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much.